I'm watering my flowers because plants need water. The flowers need water, trees need water. Sometimes the water comes from a watering can. But sometimes the water comes from rain. When it rains outside, it's rainy. So I have a song today about when it's rainy. Sometimes we like the rain because it makes the flowers grow and it makes us feel warm and cozy inside. But sometimes we don't like the rain because we want to play outside like you play on the patio. You want to play your games. So this song is about that. So it goes like this. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. I really want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Okay, so now I'll sing it slowly so you can learn it. Rain, rain, go away. So one more time. Rain, rain, go away. And then we say, later, come back so we can have the flowers grow. Come again another day. One more time. Come again another day. And then you say, I really want to play with your friends. So, I really want to play. And then, like how we sang before, rain, rain, go away. So one time we'll practice, and then one time we'll do it all the way. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Now you try. And then the second part goes, I really want to play. Rain, rain, go away. And now we do the whole thing. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. I really want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Good job! I love you. Bye-bye.